Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fireplace shovels that are available on the market for their true quality.
I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Fire Beauty Fireplace Shovel. The Fire Beauty Shovel is a durable and weather-resistant fireplace shovel that can be used both indoors and outdoors. Its surface painting treatment effectively prevents rust, ensuring a long service life. With no assembly required, this shovel is ready to use right out of the box. Made from durable steel and featuring a powder-coated finish, it is built to last. The Fire Beauty Shovel is perfect for scooping ash and firewood, making it a convenient tool for maintaining your fireplace or fire pit. Its weather-resistant construction allows for easy cleaning and ensures its reliability in any weather condition. With its sturdy build and durable finish, the Fire Beauty Shovel is a reliable and convenient tool for any fireplace or fire pit owner. Moving on, at number 4 we have the SoloWilder Manganese Steel Ash Shovel. The SoloWilder Ash Shovel is a handy tool designed to make cleaning your fire pit or fireplace easier and safer. Its 12.6-inch handle keeps you at a safe distance from heat, allowing you to clean without the risk of burns. Made from thickened manganese steel, this shovel is durable and can handle high temperatures without bending. The rubber grip ensures comfort and reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for larger cleanups. Whether you're tending to your fireplace or enjoying outdoor activities, this versatile ash shovel is an essential addition to your cleaning tools. At number 3, we have the AMAGABELI Garden & Home 26-inch Fireplace Shovel. The AMAGABELI Fireplace Shovel is a heavy-duty 26-inch tool designed for cleaning out hot ashes in fireplaces, wood stoves, fire pits, and more. Made of solid steel with a 10mm solid round bar, this shovel is built to last. The handle and shovel are securely glued to the bar support, eliminating the risk of any pieces falling off. Its head is shaped for easy hanging next to your fireplace or fire pit after use. With this shovel, you can easily clean ash from your indoor wood stove, outdoor fire pit, fireplace, or grill. The AMAGABELI Fireplace Shovel is a high-quality tool that offers convenience and durability for your hearth and outdoor cooking needs. At number 2, we have the Flamely 25-inch Brass-Plated Ash Shovel. The Flamely Brass Ash Shovel is expertly crafted from durable wrought-forged iron and features a brass-plated finish that not only resists rust, but also adds a touch of elegance to your fireplace. Measuring 25 inches, this shovel allows you to keep a safe distance from the flames while remaining easy to handle. Its sleek, modern design fits well with existing tools, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your fireplace. Additionally, the heat-resistant brass coating makes it suitable for outdoor use, ensuring you can enjoy the same quality and style by your outdoor grill. And finally, at number 1, we have the DUZFOREI Fireplace Ash Shovel Tool. The DUZFOREI Ash Shovel is a versatile tool that is perfect for your fireplace and garden needs. Its wooden handle provides comfort and grip, while the metal shovel ensures maximum strength and durability. With a size of 95mm width by 160mm depth, it is designed with a curved structure for easy scooping. The black powder-coated steel finish adds a sleek touch. Whether you need to remove ash from your fireplace or aggregate from your garden, this lightweight and portable shovel is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. It can also be used as a convenient pet food scoop. With the DUZFOREI Ash Shovel, you can easily clean up and maintain your fireplace or garden anytime and anywhere.
Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.